Hello, everyone. The company that we have chosen for our advanced strategy project is Disney. So, Disney, as we all know, also known as Walt Disney Company, is a multinational entertainment company founded by Walt Disney in 1923. So, Disney is a diversified multinational company that operates in several different businesses. Some of the main businesses that Disney involves is media and networks. So, this business segment includes Disney's television networks such as ABC, ESPN, Disney Channel, etc. Then the other one is studio entertainment. So, studio entertainment includes the Disney's movie production and distribution businesses, as well as its music and theater production businesses. The next is parks, experiences, and products. So this segment includes Disney's theme parks, resorts, and cruise lines, as well as its merchandise license businesses. The last one is direct to consumer and international. This segment includes Disney's streaming services such as Disney Plus Hotstar, as well as its international media businesses. Disney is not limited to these businesses. It has a wide range of businesses. These are just major examples that we can give. Overall, Disney's diversified portfolio of businesses allows it to reach a wide range of customers and generate revenue from multiple sources. The company's strong brand and popular franchisees such as Star Wars and Marvel help to drive growth across all of its businesses. Coming to Martin Reeves' talk on your strategy needs a strategy, it's highly relevant to Disney, a company that operates in a fast-paced and constantly evolving industry. Reeves argues that uh, the companies need to be strategic in how they approach strategy and adapt their approach based on the nature of their competitive knowledge. Martin Reeves has talked about four frameworks of strategy in his video, and the first one was classic framework. So, in the classic framework, Disney is well known for its operational excellence in its theme park management, ensuring that every aspect of the guest experience is optimized for maximum enjoyment and efficiency. It takes care that every customer that's coming in is given a different kind of experience and in accordance with what they like about Disney. Coming to adaptive framework, Disney has demonstrated agility and adaptability over the years by continually expanding its brand and diversifying its offerings, such as by acquiring Marvel and Star Wars, etc. It also has come up with its online channels such as Disney Plus Hotstar, where it makes sure that its customers gets every kind of entertainment, not just limited to Disney. Then the visionary framework. Disney has created a compelling vision of being a provider of family entertainment and magic, leveraging iconic characters and storytelling to create emotional connect with its audiences. Then coming to shaping framework, Disney has also been a leader in shaping the entertainment industry through its innovation and influence, such as by creating new genres of animated films and developing advanced technologies in its theme park attractions, etc. So Reeves basically suggests that companies like Disney need to be agile in their strategy and be able to pivot quickly to address changing in the market conditions. This requires a willingness to experiment, take risk, and learn from failures. Disney has already demonstrated its willingness to embrace new technologies and platforms. For example, by launching its own streaming services, Disney Plus Hotstar, to compete with Netflix and other streaming giants. Uh, Reeves also emphasizes the importance of having a clear understanding of the competitive landscape and adapting strategy accordingly. Disney's strategic approach to business is informed by its deep knowledge of its target audience, its competitors, and its broader trends uh, shaping the entertainment industry. So, overall, by embracing an agile approach to strategy and remaining attuned to changing market conditions, Disney can continue to thrive in a rapidly evolving industry. By being strategic in its approach to business and adapting its strategy as needed, Disney can remain a leader in the entertainment industry and deliver high quality experiences to its customers.
So now coming to six rules to simplify by Maurice. Now coming to six rules to simplify by Maurice. The first one is understanding what others do. So this one really encourages us to, employees to learn about works of other departments. In this way, they are able to look at the big picture of the organization rather than simply doing their work. Second is reinforce their integrators. So these are basically the middlemen of two departments. So integrators are basically responsible for improving the coordination between two departments. So, so one of the biggest rules to simplify is we have to reinforce them as Okay, now coming to the 6 rules to simplify by Moritz. The first one is understanding what others do. So this rule is about encouraging employees to learn about the works of other employees, and we have to encourage our employees to know the works of other departments also, so as to so that they get the big picture of the organization. The second is reinforcing the integrators. These are basically managers. So these are the individuals who help to connect different parts of the organization. And this rule is about ensuring that managers and other leaders are actually actively supporting and reinforcing the role of integrators and not creating barriers to collaboration between two functions. Uh, Third one is empower people to do their work. So this one talks about how the power is centered at top management at most companies, and this way the employees at basic level don't really feel that much empowered, and it really it doesn't motivate them. So we really have to give power to employees at lower levels also. Now, fourth one is expose them to future consequences of their work. So, we could have people who, just take advantage of being in a big team and not really contributing to the, group work. But if we let them know that, these people are going to work together in future also, this really pushes them to contribute to their team and not just be a laggard. And fifth is increase reciprocity. So reciprocity is about encouraging employees to work together and support each other. So in the video, Morix talks about how if somebody feels it is not the problem that they didn't know how to do it. It was the problem that they couldn't ask for help from somebody else. So, we have to be able to ask for help from someone and also be able to or willing to help others. This way, this way the chances of failures are really less in an organization, and employees get to know and just not just hide their weaknesses, but be more truthful about it. This way, they can ask help from others and uh, make sure that that part of the equation is not causing a problem. So sixth one is reward those who cooked and penalize those who don't. So this one is self-explanatory. Basically, we have to reward those people who have coordinated and penalize those who didn't, so as to they know that not contributing to a work leads to a consequence. Now, uh, so Disney. Let's talk about Disney now. Disney has implemented all of these, and if we go step by step, the first is understanding what others do, right? So Disney places a strong emphasis on cross-functional teams and encourages employees to learn about the works of others. And by doing so, they are able to identify, the gaps between their organizations and know where the big picture of the organization is headed. And the second one, reinforcing integrators. A good example of this would be cast members by Disney. So cast members are people in who are mostly found in Disney shops and Disneylands, and their basic role is to coordinate between two departments. So they ensure that everyone is working towards the same goal, and there are no barriers between the collaboration. Now, the third rule, increasing the employee autonomy and empowering them. So in this also Disney has worked, and they encourage their employees to make decisions and take ownership of their work, and this helps them being more creative and more uh, problem solver in the lower levels also. So they are able to this way they're also able to adapt to changes much quicker. The fourth one, expose them to future consequences of their work, right? So Disney helps its employees understand the broader picture of the organization, and the company has a strong focus on, one of the examples would be they have a strong focus on sustainability, right? And their employees are encouraged to consider the long-term consequences of their action. In like they don't want employees who are short-sighted, right? And they want their employees to know exactly what they are doing and what this is leading to. Fifth one, the increasing reciprocity. So in this also, like Disney has a very open culture of help, and they have also been known for rewarding those who ask for help, and they this way the teamwork in Disney is at the next level. And coming to the sixth one, rewarding those who cooped and penalizing those who didn't. So Disney encourages employees to work together and support each other, and if and this creates a culture of uh, everyone contributing to the work. And if somebody is not doing it, Disney has production on next level of like it is a top-notch production in the world, and if somebody is not able to fit into that criteria and not able to contribute equally to the team, then there is no place for them. I mean, it Disney, it's self-explanatory for Disney.
So now going forward to how data has transformed Disney. The data has played a significant role in transforming Disney in several ways. We have included 16 dominant ways here. First one is a personalized experience. Disney uses data to personalize experience for its guests. It collects data on guest preferences, behavior, and feedback, and uses this data to create personalized recommendations, offers, and experiences for the user. Next being content creation. Disney uses data to create content that resonates with its audience by analyzing data on what type of content are popular, which character are most beloved, and what themes are currently trending. Next, marketing. Disney uses data to optimize its marketing efforts as well. By analyzing data on customer behavior and preferences, Disney can identify the most effective marketing channels, messages, and offers to reach its audience. Next, being operations. Disney uses the data to optimize its operations as well by analyzing data on park attendance, wait time, and ride popularity, as well as Disney can make informed decision about staffing, ride maintenance, and park layout as well. So hence, they can use data for operations. Next being revenue management. Disney uses data to optimize its pricing strategy by analyzing data on historical booking platform, seasonality, and demand. Disney can adjust its pricing to maximize revenue and occupancy. It also uses the data for talent management. Disney uses to identify and develop its talent by tracking employee performance, skills, and development needs. It also identify high performing employees and provide targeted training and development opportunities to them. It all, as we all know, Disney is well known for its innovation. So hence, Disney uses data to drive innovation by analyzing data on emerging technologies, customer preferences, and industry trends. Disney can identify new opportunities for growth and innovation. Going forward to guest insights, Disney uses data to gain insights into its guests' behavior and preferences. By collecting data on guest interactions, purchase, and feedback, Disney can gain a deeper understanding of its guests and use this information to improve the quality of product and services. Going forward to predictive analysis, Disney also uses data to make prediction about future trends and customer behavior by analyzing historical data and current trends. Disney can identify patterns and make predictions about future demands, attendance, and other factors that impacts its business. Going forward to risk management, Disney uses data to manage risks and improve safety by tracking safety incidents, ride performance, and other risk factors. Disney can identify potential hazards and take proactive measures to prevent accident and improve safety for all the guests and employees. Social media is also a platform where Disney is very active, and it is using its social media platform to monitor and analyze customer sentiments and engagement by tracking mentions, hashtags, and other social media matrices. Disney can identify trends, respond to customer feedback, and engage with the audience in real time. Going forward to digital transformation, Disney has undergone a wonderful digital transformation in recent years, and data has played a crucial role in this process. By using data to analyze customer behavior and preferences, Disney has been able to develop new digital products and services such as Disney Plus streaming services, which most of us use. Next, collaboration and partnership. Data has enabled Disney to form strategic partnership and collaboration with companies, with other companies in order to maintain their image and provide better customer experience. By sharing data and insights, Disney can work with partners to develop new products and services that meet the need of their audience. Next being customer service. Disney uses data to improve customer service by analyzing customer feedback and complaints. Disney can identify area for improvement and take proactive measures to address issues and improve the guest experiences. Next being research and development. Data has enabled Disney to invest in research and development to develop new products and services by using data to identify emerging trends and opportunities. Data is helping Disney, by which Disney can allocate resources to develop new technologies and products that meet the evolving needs of the audience. Now, last but not the least, fraud prevention, which is very essential. Disney uses data to prevent fraud and protect its guests and employees by monitoring transactions and other activities for suspicious behavior. Disney can identify and prevent fraud, theft, and other security risks beforehand. So we can say data has also helped Disney improve its overall agility and responsiveness by using data to monitor and analyze its operations and customer feedback in real time. Disney can quickly respond to challenges and all the changes which are happening in industry or in customer behavior, industry trends, and market condition. This has enabled Disney to stay ahead of the curve and maintain its position as a leader in the entertainment industry. Yeah,
Very good.
thank you.
Very good.
I know I am the best. कर देना trim.
So, talking about how the data revolution has impacted Disney, I'll be discussing a few important applications of data and analytics by the company. So, starting with customer experience, we have magic bands. So these are basically wristbands which use radio frequency identification technology, RFID, which is actually very popular in healthcare industry. So basically, it's a wireless tracking technique which can be used to track the customers and monitor their behavior. So these bands can be used as a ticket. They can be also used as a hotel room key or as a fast pass. They also make clicking pictures in the theme parks, in the Disney theme parks, a flawless experience. We have photo ops installed at every nook and corner of the theme parks. So these pictures get automatically linked to the Magic Band through the Disney PhotoPass service, which the guests can use for seeing and downloading the pictures. And we also have interactive cues in the theme parks, which keep the guests entertained while they wait in the line for an attraction. The resort also uses simulation to model guest behaviors and incorporate these findings into future queue designs. And Disney also recently applied for a patent for a system that would allow them to recognize guests at a number of locations via their shoes through sensors. So the goal is to offer customized guest experiences at these points. And in movie theaters, Disney also tracks the reactions of audience through a neural network it has developed, which is helping the company quantify how a film is working on a granular scale. And the same would be soon implemented into other experiences such as parks and restaurants. And talking about operational efficiency, Disney has recently launched 2 new cruise ships. So analytics were used for the planning process, including organizing the logistics around training the nearly 1,700 new crew members and planning crew rotations on and off the ship. So restaurants in Disney resorts also use statistical analysis to understand the patterns around party sizes and their arrival timings and table turn timings. This knowledge is incorporated into mathematical models that determine the right mix of tables to best meet the guest demand. Recently, these models have been made dynamic so that bookings which are already made are accounted while considering the projected reservations until the actual day arrives. So Disney also applies analytics to optimize back of house operations. So each facility has to handle almost 30,000 pounds of laundry every day. So the resort leverages computer simulation to recreate the facility in a virtual environment. And the simulation is used to identify potential bottlenecks and in testing new concepts or designs that can increase the overall capacity of the facility. So the resort also utilizes simulations for similar purposes in attractions as well, in hotel front desks and restaurants and warehousing facilities.
Hi. So, yeah, as we all know now that Disney is in a multiple area business like media networks, theme parks and resorts, studio entertainment, consumer products, and a lot more, right? So, what future does Disney hold with this regard? And is there a pattern that we can recognize in its diversified business? So, yes, there is a pattern. All of the business areas that Disney operates in are related to the entertainment industry in some way. Disney is primarily focused on creating and distributing content that entertains and engages audiences, whether through films, television shows, theme park attractions, or consumer products. The company's brand is built around its iconic characters and franchises, and it has leveraged its intellectual property to create a diverse portfolio of businesses that all contribute to its overall mission of bringing joy and happiness to people around the world. But since we have recognized this pattern, which is the most weird business that Disney is in? I think it could be said that the most unusual business that Disney is in is consumer products division. This division creates and sells a wide range of consumer products like toys, apparel, and even home decor, featuring Disney's popular characters. While it might seem odd for an entertainment company to also sell physical products, this business area is actually a natural extension of Disney's brand and intellectual property. By licensing its characters and franchises to third party manufacturers, Disney is able to generate additional revenue and increase the visibility of its brands in the marketplace. And by creating its own line of consumer products, Disney is also able to exercise greater control over the quality and design of merchandise featuring its characters, which helps to ensure that they are represented in a manner consistent with the company's values and standards. So now, can Disney use data analytics in its home decor products? Yes, Disney could potentially use data analytics. How? By analyzing data on consumer preferences, trends, and buying behavior, Disney can gain insight into what types of products are most likely to be popular with its target audience. And then it could tailor its product offerings and marketing strategies accordingly. Like Disney can analyze data on consumer purchasing patterns to identify which characters or franchisees are most popular in different regions or demographic groups, and then it could use this information to develop targeted product lines that appeal to those specific segments in the market. Disney could also use data analytics to optimize its supply chain and inventory management processes, thereby ensuring that it has the right products in the right quantities at the right time. So, what future looks like for Disney home decor? It can be influenced by several trends and factors like e-commerce and digital transformation. With the growth of e-commerce and digital technologies, consumers are increasingly turning to online channels to shop for home decor products. Disney is likely to continue investing in its e-commerce capabilities and digital transformation in order to capture a larger share of this market and provide consumers with a seamless experience. Also, licensing of intellectual property. So, Disney's home decor business relies heavily on its licensed characters and franchisees. However, as the market has become more crowded and competition has intensified, Disney may need to find new ways to differentiate itself and create value for consumers through its intellectual property. In order to stay relevant and appeal to changing consumer tastes, Disney's home decor business will also need to continue to innovate and create new and exciting products that capture the imagination of its target audience. This may involve exploring new materials, designs, and technologies in order to create truly unique and memorable home decor products. So, Disney can use data analytics in several ways to drive the future and growth of its home decor business. So, by analyzing data on sales pattern and inventory levels, Disney can optimize its supply chain and inventory management processes to ensure that it has the right products in the right quantities at the right time. This can help to reduce inventory costs, minimize stockouts, and improve overall operational efficiency. By analyzing data on consumer trends and preferences, Disney can also identify new product opportunities and create products that are more likely to resonate with its target audiences. And by analyzing data on its customer behavior, competitor pricing, and market trends, Disney can develop pricing strategies that are optimized to maximize revenue and profit margins. This can involve using dynamic pricing models that adjust prices based on real time market conditions and also to determine the optimal price points for different products. Overall, data analytics can be a powerful tool for Disney's home decor business, enabling the company to make better informed decisions, improve operational efficiency, and drive growth and profitability in this competitive market.
So coming to the end of the PPT, I would like to talk about how we as a team collaborated within ourselves and also took help of other teams working on this. So to ensure effective collaboration, we established a regular meeting schedule and assigned specific tasks to each team members based on their skills and interests. We also set up clear communication channels and used a shared document to keep track of progress and share ideas and feedback. During the collaboration process, we encountered challenges in analyzing market data in a meaningful way. To overcome this challenge, we leveraged the team's analytical skills and worked collaboratively to develop a comprehensive analysis that provided insights to the company's current and future opportunities. As the integrator, one team member played a key role in bringing together the diverse skills, knowledge, and perspective of the team members and facilitated communication to ensure alignment with the project goals. Another team member was accountable for the group work, ensuring that the team worked effectively and efficiently and monitoring progress to ensure alignment with the project timelines. Another team member stepped up as the leader when needed to handle conflicts and build a culture of collaboration and innovation within the team. This approach ensured that everyone's strengths were leveraged and the team worked collaboratively towards achieving the project goals. We also collaborated with other teams and gained insights in how the firms like Amazon were thinking of the firm strategy and using data analytics. Thank you.